You can receive funds in dollar, you can receive funds in pounds, you can receive funds in euro. The question is, how do I open a GeePay account? For those of you that are conversant with surveys or take surveys as a side hustle or a real business, you would want to always withdraw your money to your local bank account. So you either have a gray account or a GeePay account. Now, in the process of this video, I'm still going to show you how you can link your gray or your GeePay account down to your PayPal account. But right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can open a verified GeePay account and link that to your PayPal account. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like what you're about to watch right now is being posted right in this channel. Now, without no further ado, let's dive into the business of today. So the first thing you want to do right here is to click the first link on the pinned comment section. It's going to bring you here. So right here, it's going to ask you to download this. So right now, I'm going to click on open. So we are going to come over to GeePay right here. So right here, you can see USD bank account, routing numbers. You can see that. So you can see where it says create a USD, GBP, Euro account to receive payment for your gigs. So right here, all you just have to do is to click on sign up. So right here, the reason why I like this GeePay is that the sign up process is very simple and straightforward. Now, what we're going to be doing is to input an email address. Now, this particular part is very vital to your account health. Some of you would want to use a Gmail account that you don't have access on, or a Gmail account that has been suspended on PayPal or other GPay account. Now, I'll advise you go ahead to create a new verified email address for your sign up on GeePay. So what we are going to be doing right now is to enter this particular email address. So I'll be using this for an example. Just wait. Okay, so this is actually the one I'll be using for the purpose of this video. Okay, so once I'm done with this, the next thing I want to do is to click on sign up. Okay, so right now a code will be sent to this particular email address. As you can see right now, all I just need to do is to copy this code and put it right here, as it has been timed right on this account. So I've copied this. The next thing I want to do is to come right here and paste this code right here and come down to click on verify. So right here, you need to put in a password and confirm your password. So I'm going to be putting in my password right now, and I'm also going to confirm this password. So right here, you can see while setting up your password, it must have 10 characters minimum, one lowercase character, one uppercase character, and one special characters. Now, these are the examples of the characters that are needed, and one number. So with this, your password is actually a strong password. As you can see right here, strong password written in green. So you come down right here and click on continue. Now, these are important account opening information which you need to go through. But for now, I'm going to click on continue. But you should know that these are the documents that will be needed to complete your account setup. We will need a few documents from you: proof of address, recent utility bill or bank statement within last 3 months that matches your residential address, valid government approved ID. You can use your international passport, national ID, national identity number, depending on your country. So you just need to go through all this, then click on continue. Now, this is the page where you need to set up your personal informations. These particular informations are very, very important. You just need to come down right here and put in your first name. So let me go ahead to put in my first name right here. Then come down right here and put in my last name. Then come down right here and put in my date of birth. Okay, so right now, the next thing you want to do is select your country of residence, then put in your mobile active number. So we are going to go with this. So the next thing you want to do right now is to put in a referral code. You'll be seeing my referral code attached on this video, or get it on the pinned comment section. So once you're done, come down right here and click on continue. With that, a code will be sent to this mobile number. All you just need to do is to actually insert this code right here. So once this elapses, I'm still going to resend this code so I can actually put in this code and verify my account. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on resend code. So the code will be sent to me. So once I get that code, I'm just going to put it right here. So I think I have the code right here. So the next thing I want to do is to put in the code right here. So you just need to be very fast. As you can see, the time down right here. So I just need to be very fast and click on verify. So you can see instant and secure login with Face ID. You can go ahead to enable this. So you can just go ahead to skip this for now. Then you come right here, you can see welcome to GeePay. So that is one thing I like about GeePay. The creation of account is very straightforward and very simple to open. Now they said, how did you hear about us? You can just go ahead to click on friends and family or anyone. Just click on continue. So this does not actually matter a lot. Now, when you create your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. You can receive funds in dollar, you can receive funds in pounds, you can receive funds in euro. So what you just want to do right now is to go ahead to create your accounts for your dollar, your pounds, and your euro account, because you need to create an account for you to have an account number for this particular account. But before that, you will need to go ahead to verify your address and verify your identity. So what you just need to do is to come down to verify address, then come down right here and input your address. So I'm going to input my address for verification, and I'm going to proceed with the creation of this account. So once I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do is to come right here and click on continue. So right here, you can see that. So you can come right here and correct the postal code, or you can go with the one you know is best. So this is the postal code, and they actually want me to upload a proof of address. As you can see that right here, please provide proof of address. So I'm going to come right here and click on this particular interface. So right here, you can see, please upload a valid bank statement or utility bill that is not password protected and has a validity period of no more than 3 months. So you are going to come right here and you can go ahead to select utility bill or bank statement. Okay. So right here, what I'm going to do is to click on bank statement and choose file right here. So I'm going to click on from file and I'm going to select my bank statement and I'm going to click on upload. Okay. So once I click on upload, you can see right here that I have uploaded that. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so right now, the next thing you want to do is to verify your identity. Now you can see, choose the ID documents you would like to verify. You can go ahead with your international passport or you can go ahead with your NIN. Now, previously, there was no NIN option right here. So this is a good one for you that have NIN. So right now, I'm going ahead with my international passport. You can go ahead to read this identification verification instructions. You can see right here, it says ensure proper lighting in your environment and ensure your selfie is clear and not blurred. Verify that your ID is still valid and has not expired. So you can see that right here. So you need to take note of this. Then go ahead to click on proceed to verification. Now it will be taking you down to the verification process where you need to verify your account. So you can see right here, confirm your identity. We will ask for your ID and a selfie. It's a quick and secure and trusted by millions of users worldwide. So all you just need to do is to click on let's go and you'll be verifying your ID. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on let's go and I'm going to put in my international passport for a photograph. So I just took my international passport. So the next thing I want to do is to take me over to where I can do my face verification. So right now, I just have to do my face verification. As you can see right now, it's actually processing. Please wait, give us a bit to do our magic. So you just need to hold on for your verification. So you can see processing photo. So you just need to hold on. Thank you. Your verification data has been successfully submitted. So click on continue right here. Your verification is now under review. So you can go back to your home. So right here, as we wait for approval of our verification, you can see right here that we have different accounts. You can see we have the euro account, we have the British and US dollar. So once you're done with your verification, you'll be asked to create an account with this, so you can have an account number to all these accounts that are right here. So you can come right here for your conversion. You can come right here to send money. You can come right here to explore more. But before you can be given access to do all these things, your account needs to be verified. So we need approval for us to continue using this account. Once approval has been made, then you can now send and receive money. You can see right here that I just got a message that it has been approved. And so to confirm that this particular account has been approved, you can go over to my email to confirm that. And so right here, you can see the message gotten from GeePay. This is to inform me that your GeePay account verification has been approved. So our account has been approved right here. What next? Generate your bank account to receive payment for your work, convert the transfer easily, create US cards and spend across millions of websites. So exactly what I said, you can actually start creating your account once your account has been verified. So right here, you can just come down to view verification right here. You can see right here that we are required by the regulation to verify your details to help protect your account from fraud and identity theft. So right here, you can see personal profile has been completed, email has been completed, profile of address has been completed, and identity verification has been completed. So these are all what you need to do on your account before you can start using your account. So right here, you can see we have a Naira account, we have a Euro account, we have British account, we have dollar account. We can send and receive funds with this. Now you can come down to account right here. You can see get your global bank account and receive payment faster from your employers and clients. Just click on create account. So right here, you can go ahead to create your dollar account, your pounds account, your euro account, and your Naira account. So when you come right to Naira account, you can see the process right here. This works just like a regular bank account. You will be issued an NGN bank account, which can be used in receiving Nigerian Naira. So you can see your money is held in licensed bank. So these are the information you need. So click on next right here. Then an account number will be generated for you on your GeePay account. So right here, you can see your NGN bank account has been created. You can now proceed to view your new account to receive money with it. So you can come right to account right here and you can actually see that you have your Naira account created. So this is the account number that you can use to start receiving funds to your Naira account. Same applies to when you want to go ahead to create an account. So once you come over to create new right here, you'll be asked to create a dollar account or a pounds account or a euro account. And so that is how you can create a verified GeePay account. Now in my next video, I'm going to probably show you how you can link your GeePay account down to your PayPal account, and also make another video on how you can link your Gray account down to your PayPal account so you can have easy conversion of your funds. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions regarding all what I said in this video, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. And also, it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. You can find these links down there in the pinned comment section of this video. So see you on my next video and keep winning.